Welcome to Wall Curtains. If you're thinking about renovating your basement and aren't sure which flooring option to choose, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 6 trending basement flooring options for 2024. Whether you're aiming for style, durability, or budget-friendly options, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Luxury Vinyl Plank, LVP. First on our list is Luxury Vinyl Plank, or LVP. LVP has become a go-to option for basements due to its water-resistant properties and realistic wood-look finishes. It's durable, easy to install, and available in a wide range of styles, making it perfect for adding warmth and elegance to your basement space. 2. Engineered Wood. Next up, we have engineered wood. Unlike traditional hardwood, engineered wood is designed to withstand moisture, making it a great choice for basements. It gives you the beauty of real wood without the worry of warping or swelling. 3. Waterproof Laminate. Waterproof laminate is another excellent option for basement flooring in 2024. It's designed to handle moisture and spills, making it perfect for areas that are prone to dampness. Plus, it comes in a variety of styles that mimic wood or stone, so you can achieve the look you want without compromising on durability. 4. Ceramic or porcelain tile. Ceramic or porcelain tile is a classic choice for basements. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and incredibly durable. In 2024, we're seeing a trend towards larger tiles and unique patterns, allowing you to create a stylish and modern look in your basement. 5. Carpet tiles. If you're after comfort, carpet tiles are a fantastic option. They are easy to install, replaceable, and come in a wide range of colors and textures. In 2024, we're seeing a rise in eco-friendly carpet tiles made from recycled materials. They are great for adding warmth and insulation to your basement while being soft underfoot. 6. Rubber flooring. Lastly, rubber flooring is gaining popularity, especially for home gyms or play areas in basements. It's incredibly durable, easy to clean, and provides excellent cushioning. Rubber flooring is also moisture resistant, making it a practical choice for basements. So there you have it, the top 6 basement flooring options trending in 2024. Whether you're looking for something stylish, durable, or cozy, there's a flooring option here that will suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips and trends.